How to replace the motherboard. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, heatsink, display panel assembly, and I/O board. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard light ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard light ribbon cable from the motherboard. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard. Disconnect the speaker cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the motherboard to the top cover. Remove the 4mm P1 Phillips head screw that is identified with log up on the USB-C bracket that secures the motherboard to the top cover. Carefully lift the left edge of the motherboard off of the alignment pins and guide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure. Remove the motherboard. Note: before installing a new motherboard, remove the I/O board ribbon cable and USB-C bracket from the old motherboard and install them onto the new motherboard. Reverse this procedure to install the motherboard.